Yeah, the challenges that I faced, handling the complex CI/CD pipelines. So, large pipelines with multiple microservices often fail due to dependency conflicts or version mismatches. Okay, like for example, multiple teams pushing the same repo caused conflicts in automated deployments. So what I did, like I implemented multi branch pipelines, artifact versioning, and automated rollback strategies. Okay, and one more challenge, handling the multi cloud hybrid or hybrid cloud management, like managing resources across AWS and Azure can lead to inconsistency in scaling or networking or monitoring. So what I did, I standardized IAC using Terraform, and consistent monitoring using CloudWatch, Azure Monitor, and I also automated alerts. And uh, and the next challenge is like scaling applications and cluster management, like Kubernetes clusters. Sometimes like I face like sometimes resource bottlenecks, pod evictions, or load balancer issues under sometimes heavy traffic, right? So what I did, I configured like horizontal pod auto scaling, optimized CPU memory request, and I improved the cluster design. Okay, and the next challenge is like security and compliance challenges, like managing secrets, okay, certificates and cloud policies across teams. It's very difficult to manage. So what I did, I centralized secrets in Azure Key Vault, and I implemented IAM roles and enforced budget alerts. And what I did, and I removed the unused resources. Okay, and one more, like monitoring and troubleshooting at scale. Okay, so at what time, I mean issues in productions were sometimes detected too late in monitoring and troubleshooting at scale issues in production. So what I did, I built dashboards with Prometheus and Grafana, and I integrated alerts and documented root cause analysis. Yeah, these are the challenges that I faced.